Welcome back to a beautiful equation on the board. In this video, we're going to find the value of x given that the square root of x minus 2 is equal to -2. Well, our first step will be for us to get rid of this square root. And we do that by taking the square of both sides. So we have the square root of x minus 2. So we'll take the square of the left. This is equal to the right, we have -2, and we also have to take the square of the right. But be careful when taking the square of both sides, because that can introduce an extraneous solution. So make sure to check your final answer. So notice that this square cancels out the square root, leaving behind x minus 2. This is equal to, now, -2 squared is 4. Now we're going to move -2 to the right hand side, and we can do that by adding 2 to both sides. So I'll add 2 to the left, I'll add 2 to the right. Now this is what we have. X here. Now -2 plus 2 is 0. So this is equal to 4 plus 2 is 6. So we've got the value of x to be equal to 6. Now let's check our solution. Now we have the left hand side as the square root of x minus 2. X is 6, so 6 minus 2. So would that give -2? Now notice that this becomes 6 minus 2, which is 4. Would that be -2? Now the square root of 4 is +2, and we all know that +2 is not equal to -2. So the value of x equal to 6 is not a solution. Rather, we can say it's an extraneous solution. You can see why it is very important for us to check for our solution whenever we're taking the square of both sides. Well, if you enjoy videos like this, click the video below.